Hey Amazon Shopper, Steve here. Today I want to do an unboxing video for you guys. This is the ZOMEI Z818 tripod. This is for SLR cameras and camcorders. So basically this is what you're going to get. You get this box here. We're going to get some important stuff. Bag that it comes in. It's a very nice heavy duty carry bag, and it does have a strap inside here, shoulder strap, so you can attach it right here, and a double heavy duty zipper handle right here. This bag is heavy, probably one of the heaviest bags that I have. Inside here you'll have the tripod. You'll have an additional piece for your monopod and a short shaft. You get the instruction booklet and the Allen wrench. And here is the strap, your shoulder strap for the bag. Now guys, if any of you know me, I generally don't do an unboxing video, and I like the way that these guys present their stuff. It's very professional, and I just want to show you how it comes and exactly what you're going to get and what you're paying for. So once you get it out of the bag, you're going to have this tripod is reverse folded. Your ball head is right here. And it has this cool little velvet bag. And it protects the ball head because it's a reverse storage. These legs go down this way, but when you stow it, it goes like this. So this little velvet bag right here is going to protect your ball head from getting any scratches or any damage. Hey guys, I got it all out and stood up here, and I just kind of want to go over the construction of it. It is all anodized aluminum. This one weighs in at roughly 3.5 pounds, which is super light for a large tripod like this. I have some that weigh up to 7 pounds, or the same size as this, so that's actually fairly light, guys. But it will hold up to 39 pounds of stuff on it. So at your gear, 39 pounds is a lot. If you move up to the head here, you're going to see this is a hinge plate head, and it has two pieces here. On the plate itself, it has two pins to keep it kind of in place if this thing ever does come loose. But you're basically just going to put one side in, put it level, screw it in, and there you go. I'm just going to show you, I don't know how much my gear weighs here, but this is about as heavy as I can get it. But my biggest thing when I'm looking for a tripod is how much forward I can put this without this moving. And as you can see, it holds quite a bit of forward weight without moving even an eighth of an inch. And that's one of the big things when I'm setting up or using a ball head, is if I set it, I want it to stay there. I don't want it to move an eighth of an inch and then have to adjust it an eighth of an inch before, so after I let go it moves back into place. That's just a pain. That thing holds nicely, guys, and I didn't flip that down. You saw me just twist it with my hand. So this ball head holds actually really nice. I kind of got that out of the way now, and I just want to finish going over the head. It does have a bubble level right here, and it does also have, this is a two-way pan fluid head. I tested it over the weekend with my video camera, just moving it back and forth, and it was really smooth. It is marked here for perfect panoramic shots if you want to use these degree markers right here. And then on the bottom side right here, you do have your center column balance switch. So you have to put it spring loaded, so once you put your weight on there, it's going to hold and help stabilize your tripod. Now folded up, this thing is approximately 18 inches. It fits nicely in the bag. And also the maximum length is 62 inches roughly, maybe just a tad more than 62 inches fully extended. And if we move on down to the legs here, you can see that this is just a quick grasp. I just turned all of those, and you extend them and then tighten them back up. And I like these guys. It makes for a really quick setup, especially if you're moving 15 feet and you need to readjust real quick. You can just turn these and adjust them. It works out real nice. Foam pad on this one, foam pad on this one. Now, right here at the bottom of the ball head, you do have a strap for toting, to and from, and you can remove that if you want just by removing the ball. You do have three positions. There's one that is very wide extension, and then one more right there, and of course your third one, your standard tripod position right there. So you do have very cool thing, guys. Right here, one of these legs has a rubber thing on it. You just simply twist this off. And remember at the beginning of the video, I told you that it came with an extra center column screw, and that's where that goes, guys. You just simply put it in there the right way. You simply put that in there right there, and you take your counterbalance screw off. Just unscrews. Take your center column out. Attach it right there, and you have a monopod. And if you do need a shorter monopod, like I said, it comes with an extra short shaft. You can replace the ball head on this if you just want to use this little short shaft. It's the same thing, it's just a miniature version of this. So I have the legs put back on it, and I want to show you something real quick, guys. With the center column weight still out, and instead of putting this back in, you can indeed put this in upside down, just like that. You can tighten it down, spread your legs out a little bit, and you can mount your camera down here. Now, I've particularly used this with macro photography in the past outside, getting real super close to my shots, and even some product photography. I've used it for small bottles that I've had to shoot. It works out great to be able to flip that around, and it's super quick. This particular tripod comes in a variety of colors. I believe it's black, blue, this orange, the gold, and silver. Now, I thought the orange was very nice, guys. This is very cool. I don't know. It seems like all my tripods are just, black and silver or black. I even have a white one that's kind of crazy looking, but it gets dirty. You can't take it outside. But this one, having the orange color, I thought was a very cool thing. You just don't see it very often, and I like it. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing video for you. It shows you everything you're going to get with the ZOMEI tripod. This is the aluminum tripod, everything that comes with it. Also the bag, the velvet pouch to protect the ball head, which is a very nice touch. The monopod that this is able to make, the short shaft, the Allen wrench, and the extra set screws for the middle. This is definitely another awesome product from these guys. Like I said, I have a couple of other tripods, and I was excited to get this one to review for you guys. And it's been a great tripod, a definite another 5-star review for me. And if you have any questions or comment, guys, I'm very limited on time that I can use on Amazon for my reviews. But if you have any questions, maybe I missed something that you have a question for, just ask in the comment box down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can. And until the next video review, guys, as always, be safe and happy shopping.